Ding! Look at that. We're going to do the redneck thing today. I'm tired of sitting on just a board across my middle of my ass. Florida Fat Man broke the couch, as you all know. We're going to redneck this together. By the way, welcome back to another episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm Bill G. I'm righty. I'm lefty. It's 7:03 in the morning. I don't care what time it is. I'm going to show you how to fix your broken spring couch. What we do here is easy. You come up here like that. This leg needs to come off. Come off of there. It doesn't work when you just talk to it. You take the screws out of it. There's only two in this couch. No sense in dragging it to the curb. The fat man will just have to be just a touch less uncomfortable, but not sitting half a board across his ass uncomfortable. You take the screws out of your leg like this. Then you would pull. Okay. You take the screws out of your leg like. Then you would take. You've got staples along. Ow! Let me get this out of the way. You got staples that hold this up. You ease your way around the staples. You might use a screwdriver, kind of get it going until you get down to a layer of boot like this here. In fact, I'm gonna have to probably go a little bit further. Put a bigger piece of wood in here. Something about like that. See? So if you look inside of here, I know you can't see very well because them fuckers won't answer my email and stuff about that light thing that I ordered. But you can see I got a piece of wood stuck in here, kinda. See? Well, I'm gonna take that back out because that's sitting halfway across my ass. So I'm going to push this back up this way a little bit. These springs are going to try to kill me. Okay, here we go. You can see the two springs that I broke. This one and this one over here. They broke, snapped off like that, see? You can't really see, but trust me, there's springs in here. There you can see them. Broken and broken. So what I did was I took a measuring tape and I measured this distance across this here piece of wood, right? Chop! This here piece of wood. And I measured the distance across that to fit in the said space at 23. I'm going to measure up and down in here. See, I got a gap. I got to start here. I don't think you can see that, but I hope you can. Here, there's a little curve. This is all open across here. So I'm going to see how wide of a piece of board I can cut to cover my fat man ass. I don't know how good a shot you're going to get, but you're going to get what you get. Because you can't always get what you want, but if you try sometimes, you know the rest. I am going to go with, I can go way back here. If I can get something, a boot, I'm going to say 18 inches long, wide. Am I going 19? I'm going to go with 18. 18. Okay. So I can go 18 inches wide. Yoink. So I'm going to go out. I got a piece of wood out here. If you can come with me if you want to. You can run this way. That's the mama. That's a cute puppy eating breakfast. He makes me famous, but he's not working at it very hard. I'm going to try to get out of the house with all this. You come with me like this. And you come with me. Now we're out in the laundry room. Okay, so folks, we've got I got a piece of wood right. You're facing the wrong way. I got a piece of wood right here. And I think I'm going to make, that should be able to work. And of course it will. Yes, that will work, as a matter of fact. Okay. So I got 18 inches. I'm going to mark on here, 18 wide, like this. Just in a few spots here and there. Man, if that's 19, I almost am tempted to just leave that. See if I can fit it in there anyway. No, I'm going to trim it. I'm going to have to. I just want to be sure. That's an awful small rip. And the other length is already measured by this here board here. I'm just going to lay it up and line it up here. And as a matter of fact, I want to find the seam here. I'll mark this across here. Where I want to cut that. And across the top here. Make a nice stripe. And then over here, on the other side, on this side, same thing. Line it up. And make a mark across the top here. And I can lay this across here. And make a mark across here. Just like that. Now I'm going to make a whole bunch of noise with a circle saw early in the morning, but I usually don't like to do that, but I think I like to now. Alright, well that didn't work very well, but it worked. Okay, so I'm going to cut this real quick, and I'll meet you back there inside. Alright, we're back inside. There's our board, all cut. We're back at Mr. Damajo Caucho. Fat man damage, fat man damage. The tension on these springs is insane. Okay? So what we're going to do, I don't know if I can do this. Maybe some assistance. I want to show you what I'm doing here, folks. I kind of, from over here,
well, okay.
So they can see in, kind of. I can't see what that's doing, and I can't get them up here. I'm going to put this board inside here, see? And here's the vent things I showed you earlier. So I'm going to take one end of the board, use it to push these springs back. And I'm going to slide it through the open end of the couch here. And then I'm going to tuck it back through. There we go. I'm going to tuck it back through this other side here, see?
Ah.
And now we've got a nice board. I'll try to get moved back a little bit more.
I just can't get them. There's not enough light, I don't think. But
there's enough they can probably see. I'm going to get enough board where it goes back to there. And this spring tension, these two broken springs will hold that board right in place. See that? It bounces a little bit. Just like that. And we put our, you would staple this back together. Chuka chuka chuka. But I'm not going to worry about it for right now. Oh. So we'll just put our legs back on. Leave one screw lined up. Line it up with your original hole if you can find it again. Which is always kind of fun, because it's a hunt. Original hole. Let's see. If I poke it all the way through, I can find it. Well, I had better light. I think that's one. Are you an original hole? Yes you are. So run this in a little bit like this. Leave it so it can swivel. So we can swivel. I'm going to get the other original hole, which is pretty easy to line up. I have to get the first one. We'll put these back on. Long-winded bastards, man. That sounds like a band. That's back on like that. Not going to worry about that yet. We'll get the puppy to move. Look out, Dingo. Heavy equipment coming down. Look out, buddy. Sit her back up like so. We'll try to move her back in position. It's kind of lined it up anyways. That's fairly close, yeah. That's right there. Let her feet, legs. That's got to go that way a little. Legs too. And a little bit more towards the window. Like that. And you try to sit down. See, there's no more big dent. Let's see what I got now instead of a board across my ass. Oh, hell yeah. BLG is much more comfortable. You can sit on the couch. I can shift for you too. Look, I'm gonna go up and look out the window. See, it works. Dingo approved. And Fat Man repaired. Don't throw your old couch away. Reinforce it. Judge it by the thickness of the wood, by the weight of your ass. This ass is about 236 now, so I went with 3/4 inch. Well, that's it for Hands On with BLG. Hope you liked the episode. Hit the other like button, share, subscribe if you want to. For Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG. I am righty, and I sawed the wood. And I am lefty, and I held the wood and put it in, installed it on one of these ends inside the couch and stuff, and drove the screwdriver thing somewhat. We'll see you guys next episode. Goodbye. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around